Hello everyone and welcome to Final IT. Today's video we're going to be looking at installing Hyper-V on Windows 10. This is helpful for running virtual machines on your Windows 10 computer. A video that might be helpful to watch before this one is our video on installing Windows 10. A link to that video can be found in the description. Before we begin, it's important to know that Hyper-V is not available on Windows Home Edition. You'll need a Windows 10 Pro setup to install it. You can check this by right-clicking on the Windows icon down here. Right-click on it, you'll get this menu where you can click System. And then if you scroll down, you'll go to a section where you see Edition listed, and it'll show Windows 10, either Pro or Home or whatever version you have. Right, so if you do have Pro, then you can go back down here and right-click on the Windows menu. Go to Apps and Features this time. We'll scroll all the way down through the list, and down here at the bottom, Related Settings, we'll click on Programs and Features. We'll get another window in the Control Panel. From here, we'll click Turn Windows Features On or Off. And then here we'll get a list of features that we can activate, one of which is Hyper-V here. We'll hit the checkbox there, and OK. Alright, once it finishes installing, it's going to prompt you to restart the computer. Alright, now that it finishes installing, we'll go ahead and hit the Windows key, or just click on the Windows button down here. And you'll see that you can type in Hyper, and the Hyper-V Manager should show up there for you. Hit Enter on that to go ahead and open the program. You'll see that we now have Hyper-V installed successfully on this machine. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching everyone. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think.